Who says you have to break the bank to get a great tablet in 2025? Hello and welcome to GadInsider. While iPads and Galaxy Tabs grab headlines, the real action's happening in the budget lane, where tablets offer vibrant displays, solid performance, and battery life that keeps up with your day. Whether you're streaming, studying, sketching, or just scrolling endlessly, these are the best cheap tablets that are definitely worth your money. Let's dive into the list. iPad 11-inch is the best overall budget tablet. Don't think if it's in budget, it's bad, because Apple's latest entry-level iPad is a powerhouse. With its 10.9-inch liquid display, a 16 Bionic chip, and smooth multitasking in iPad OS 18, it's perfect for work or play. While it lacks Face ID and Apple Intelligence features, it offers unbeatable value with long-term support and top-tier app integration. For most people, this is the sweet spot. Not a fan of Apple? We have Lenovo IdeaTab Pro for you. It packs a gorgeous 12.7-inch 120Hz screen, a generous 10,200 mAh battery, and a surprisingly capable Dimensity 8300 chip. Plus, the included stylus makes it a dream for note-taking and sketching. Minor bloatware aside, it's a premium device which justifies its price. And at last, it's Amazon Fire HD10. Built like a tank and tuned for entertainment, the Fire HD10 is your go-to for Netflix, Kindle Reads, and Alexa. It's not flashy, and Fire OS keeps you inside Amazon's integration. Not only this, but the 13-hour battery and solid Full HD screen make it a reliable travel companion too. Affordable, functional, and impressively fun, these tablets prove that in 2025, great tech doesn't have to cost a fortune. Which one is your favorite in the list? Tell us in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe to GadInsider. Press the bell icon for more tech updates.